USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Now, if we all are in the same page, you all might have um, known that what civil justice sign off is this for, this session is for, right? And yes, it is. I'm going to sign off the civil justice for the House of Representatives. They are all classified as at fault, found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican. They are all uncast. They all should not be in the government. They have to run towards the jail after all, right? And I can only bail them. But can you all understand how, when I am addressing each issue, each crime, then it is easiest to solve it, right? So there were Senate, there were Congress, there were GOP, President, Vice President, Speaker, and above all there is state governors, state mayors per district, Secretary of the State. Then are they educated? Yes, absolutely they are educated. At least they are able to talk. They know what is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, like that, on a basic education level. If not, they are graduate like that. Okay. Now tell me, why not even that many population are there, but not even one man, one educated woman stood up and slapped USA government and educated them to provide the wisest government processing. That is a crime. So that means we all have been seeing how many leprosy patients are there in the government. As of now, everybody, right? You name it, you count it, everybody. So that means the government officials, they cannot tell out loud anymore. Oh, they are, I am Senate. Got it? So Bernie Sanders, Elizabeth Warren, then Amy from state of Minnesota, then Mitt Romney from Utah, right? There are so many people, right? And these are the very commonly known people on the Senate. They all have lifetime jobs, right? Forever jobs. So if you're going to see, they do not even have to worry about their monthly bills anymore. And beyond earnings, they will be owning lands and everything is free, given by the government. So they never bothered, right? So, and then the presidents never bothered. They have their own, foundation and organizations, trust company, this, that. They are all passive income, trillions and billions of dollars out of that alone. And not only in USA, they will have worldwide, according to their choice. But then all they have to do is what? Only sweet talk, fool the population, and just never do any government policy billing. Just do this only talk. Meaning, this only talk means we are working, right? These are the common terms they use, right? The telltale signs of the foolish people, the abusers. We are working on the stimulus package. We are working on this programs, but nothing will be signed. Why? This is how the Pope Francis want them to fool the population. So innocent population, they'll be waiting for 1 year, they'll be waiting for 2 years, they'll be waiting for 3 years. The same sweetest talk, and 4 years will be gone. And then the next election cycle will come, and then again the next set of people again will do the same talk. Oh, we will fix this healthcare, we will fix this this many programs, we will create this many, like that, and all a crap. But not anymore, right? Because nobody can fool nobody nowadays. So that means a Senate cannot fool population anymore. Massachusetts Senate Elizabeth Warren, she is absolutely a shameful person. She should resign immediately. And even same goes to the Bernie Sanders as well, right? So, but then they all got in a legalized legalized crime mode, wherein they can do all hell, right? They cannot sign the bill policies, programs, etc. But still they get to have their job. It's almost same process model like the CEOs. CEOs, they get $1 million package, right? So that means even if they are going to crash the private sector operations or the public sector operations, right? Instead of firing them, instead of laying off them, they still will be there, and then they will get the $1 million package, $1 million package, along with shares and bonds and whatnot, right? Benefits will be excellent for them. And then even if they are quitting, if they want to quit or step down or something like that, they'll get a huge lifetime package settlement. They do not have to worry about to go back to the work or like that. So, can you all see the scandal in a scandal? And it's not going to be like that anymore, right? Because I handcuffed everybody, right? So, tell me what happened to the basic humanity. And can you all understand why I am saying the raw truth that there are approximately only 3 million people in this whole entire USA as of today? That is like almost like a what? The landmass is huge, right? And but then only 3 million population means it is almost like a size of a mustard. So that means a nation should not be even struggling to provide whatever that many people are needing. But reality is what? Reality is what? 99.9% of the 3 million population are tortured with injustice every single day in the United States of America. Now, these Senate, nothing will attack them, be it Senate or Secretary of the State or tax people, bank people, like that. So they are all in a very, they are very selfish and cunning. They want to take care of themselves, right, on a very comfortable position. And on top of it, they can provide what more of injustice in different versions, and they get paid for that after all. So, for example, let's say if a district is having a drinking water issue with the poisonous lead or arsenals inside that, and the neighborhood and the community are getting sick without no aware of that drinking water has been poisoned, right? But then they want to address it, means what is the USA saying? Go get signature from all that many civilians. So it should not be one signature. We need at least this many, at least 1,000 signatures. Like that, they provide a roadblocks after all, right? When a civilian has all the birthright to stand up all alone and slap on a nation government, when the national government is providing everything wrong and injustice, they reverse that process itself. So that means that neighborhood, the people have to talk, then the people have to, they'll fear, right? They will not come forward, because what if they come forward and they do not want to face many more government adverse process, so they'll back off. So then what happens? These Senate people, they will get only salary for that. Got it? It will be $1 million or even $150,000 or something like that. They will get the salary just because of what? They provided this kind of a roadblock. Okay, and then what they have to do? Yes, this particular state, for example, Flint, Michigan, right? They had the drinking water issue, right? So then the Senate will say, yes, we are still working. That's all, sweet talk. And for that sweet talk sentence alone, they get paid in $1 million with the luxury, and Pope Francis provides that. Got it? Can you all see how the scandal works in a chain reaction? Or for example, if there is a Ferguson, Missouri, right? They are all very, very poverty and shaded, neglected locations in United States of America, right? But for how long the African Americans have been shouting, help, please help, please help, please help, forever, right? Not even one educated human, be it white skin or a black skin. So that's what I'm telling. See, I'm not for even African Americans and white skin Americans. How many African Americans are there in the Senate? How many African Americans are there in the Congress? How many African Americans are there in the Secretary of the State or Vice President, like that? Everything is a scandal. Everything is a scandal. These people, these Europeans, they are absolutely foolish. They do not like wisest people. No. I already said the Babylonian, the Islam, Judaism, they are the deadliest cultism, my dear fellow mankind. They just hate innocence. They do not like wisdom ways of life. They live, eat, breathe, wear the clothing of sexual immorality alone. So that means today, USA is one lawless nation after all. But then how much of trillions of dollars has been budgeted and allocated only for broken justice services alone, and that itself is a double, triple, 1,000 times of crime that USA have to pay penalty for that. When the justice service is perfect, then they can allocate money for that. But no, they are allocating money for the broken justice, and that itself is the deadliest crime, my dear fellow mankind. What is USA going to say about that? I already said they are the happiest nation just because they got handcuffed by IM, Vedapriya, the true cop, the true police. The entire police population, not only in USA, worldwide, have fallen down in knees before me. Right? Because it's almost a cop, an ambulance driver, a paramedic people, or accident trauma division people, like construction worker, roadways workers, eateries, all people are public services only. But then there is again a discrimination based on the economic status. Oh, you are a mechanic. Oh, you are only a garbage cleaner, like that. Now tell me, these people, House of Representatives or Senate, these people are creating hell and they are having their job. They are not getting laid off. They are not getting laid off abruptly, right? The government says you can be in the job forever. That's okay. You create as many hell as possible and get paid and be in luxury forever. For how long this scandal has been going on? Since day one. Who gave that authority to the USA? It is Queen Elizabeth II. It is written clearly in the Declaration of Independence. All the amendments itself says that, hey, government, provide wrongful operations. Let it be like that. So can you all see how intoxications was injected to the innocent population without their awareness? And in entire president life cycle, how President Trump alone is displayed as an innocent Moor. Not even, I think, his name was Ronald Reagan, the actor who became president out of nowhere. I'm not talking even him himself. Including when compared to all the 45 presidents or 46 presidents, the innocence level is more for the President Trump only. Is a wisdom after all. Right? So tell me, what would anybody do when this kind of an helpless mode? So President Joe Biden will absolutely resign, right? Because he is a lawmaker. He never stepped in to guide the House of Representatives in the entire lawmaking process. He never stepped in to guide the Senate or Congress or the Speaker, anybody. But he was only earning a lot of salary, lot of perks, lot of benefits from the nation, everything free. And president job is just only one of the job. He is having many jobs. He'll be owning lot of properties, lot of organizations, lot of non-profit organizations, and get all free money from the USA in the tax credits. Because when they are going to have a non-profit organization or a trust company or a foundation, they get lot of benefits from the nation. Tax breaks. So can you all imagine how dollars alone destroyed the basic humanity consideration worldwide? Tell me. So why on the earth nobody bothered to fix it? Fix the broken government system. You got the answers, right? You all got the answers. So let's say approximately there are 500 population. I already said, right? 2 Senate per state times 50. Then 2 House of Representatives per state times 50 states. Now, I want to provide one more testimony as well. When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year volunteer project, 2030 volunteer project, right? When I was only providing wisdom education and guiding all the people to walk only in the wisdom pathways, right? So looking at my skills, looking at my excellent governance and leadership skills, some anonymous just nominated me, wanted to be the House of Representatives that time, few years back. And I just kept on because I was not working on those, right? Because I was working on the task which was allocated me without losing focus. Only I was non-stop working. That means If at all, at least they would have selected me as the House of Representatives. At least now I would have guided the entire government operations, regardless of President Trump organization or President Joe organization. So, can you all see how the roadblocks was enforced and mandated in different ways? Right? So, can you all see that's also God's planning, because God's name alone is glorified? So that means, let's say there are 100 House of Representatives. Now, why there is not even one educated House of Representative, not even one educated House of Representative, man or woman, in the United States of government, 117th Congress government, to step in, stand up, and guide the national operations. That is a life proof. And everything is vain. Whoever got elected in past 2 years, right, past 2 or 3 years, only the new set of this House of Representatives were elected, right? It was approximately 100 plus people. Most of them were women, I think, right? So, but then, can you all see, they all are only evil after all? See, when the government is filled with evil people, nothing will happen. I mean, meaning they will not provide any help to the population. So even House of Representatives salary is highest. Minimum anywhere between 100K to 150K they will earn. Right? And along with all free benefits, free housing, free everything. And even after death, they will get salary, paycheck. They all have that job secured mode. So they don't have to worry. So for a tit for tat process, what can I do? You all know what I can do, right? I have displayed the House of Representatives at fault mode, and they are all classified as a leprosy disabled mode, and they are all classified and comes under the domestic violent, wild endangered, law endangerment population mode. Then I will ask, why on the earth USA even have to bother to provide the disabled population in the government at the first place? And they are leprosy patients after all. And they are law endangerment population. Why you are hiring all the law endangerment population to be in the government, when government operations are holiest operation that needs to be provided by only the committed and true cleanest people, true cleanest love displaying people? So then for a tit for tat, what can I do? Hey USA, go. Stand upside down, fire all the House of Representatives now, fire all the Senates in the USA Congress now, regardless of Republic or Democrat Senate, Republic Congress or Democrat Congress, Republic House of Representatives or Democrat House of Representatives, Republic Speaker or Democrat Speaker, Republican GOP leader or Democrat GOP leader, just lay them off. Provide them the tag, the shame logo tag, unemployment. Make them run to the welfare, stand them in the queue, let them stand the queue. Or have them sleep on the road on the snowy day, and understand how the homeless people are struggling without any help from the government. But that is not the civil justice, my dear fellow mankind. No. And I do not want to throw all the people in the jail itself. Jail is so holy. I do not want these people to get in the jail. The excellent punishment for these abusive hell creators are only, I will allow them to live free forever. That is all, for them to get healed. Meaning, I will only provide do-it-yourself healing process to all the abusive population. Means, they have to work out and get healed themselves. Period. Right? So what is this House of Representatives? I think most of them, 90%, 95% are only women. What are they going to say? Why they never, being lawmakers, they never even bothered to ban the robocalling? Why? What happened? What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? So men, they are a men's club. They are creating hell after hell, law according to their wills and pleasure. So that means they will create a law only if that is pleasing to their standards. Let it be Las Vegas or casinos and horse racing, cars racing, like that. Then okay, let's say when men are so foolish, that is why they are not They are all disqualified, let's say. Then the women must, at least they should have stepped in and provided healthy law processing, right? Hillary Clinton was there, right? And then Hillary Clinton was ever for a long time, right? She comes under like the speaker's generation mode, right? Or more or less, maybe. So she was there before, long time, forever, right? The Hillary Clinton. She's also a lawyer after all. She's a lawyer. But then, can you all see the patterns of abuse is always same? They all talk sweetest talk. They all talk sweetest talk. And it is my understanding in the 2016 elections, even when Hillary Clinton, the presidential candidate, Democrat Hillary Clinton, was so close, this edge, right? She was so close to win after all, the 2016 elections, Democratic elections. But then, these people, they did not want her. Well, how many Republican supporters, they shout up front that Hillary Clinton is so wicked, evil. Right? You all know about that. We are all on the same page on that, right? So that means, imagine, they are all lawmakers only. That's what this House of Representatives is going to say about that today. There are 95% of the House of Representatives only women. So at least they should have stepped in and provided the healthy law processing. They did not. So that is why there is a difference between men and women. And yes, out of all the innocence identification, the basic highest level impasse means in civil justice, the basic foundation level innocent identification is enough for the civil justice sign-off. What is the basic level of innocent? I have been educating you all. Each man is what? Forever innocent. Because created from the dust. Each woman is double innocent. Why? Created from the dust and created from the ribbon of a man. So, who gets to have the child custody, sole child custody? Always only women. Why? Women are by default what? Personification of what? Excellent caregivers. So this excellent caregivers process, nobody have to teach. Governments don't have to teach, lawyers don't have to teach, judges don't have to teach, Christian evangelicals don't have to teach. Even I already explained, right? Even animal kingdom knows that always biological moms are the excellent caregivers. What more of the education does the women in the USA government need? What more of an education does women in the Senate of USA need? Right? So can you all see how they are providing the illusion? See of the now Vice President, the then Senate, and now Vice President Kamala Harris. People are providing only illusion. See, she created the history to be the first black woman to be elected as a vice president. It's all they were providing an indirect shame to her. And she never knew it because people want to just overlook it because it's all a job mode, survival mode, salary mode, who cares mode, right? As long as they're going to get all free benefits, luxury, well, who cares mode? If you're going to throw anything on their face, they are just going to wipe it off and just move away. Right? And critics will be always there and they are aware of it. No matter what, if they're going to talk a sweet talk or a whatever talk, they are going to have the critics to mock at them, including me. I already educated you all, right? So why beyond everything, I'm talking about why the basic humanity process got destroyed. Why? What is the reason behind that, my dear fellow mankind? Why? If only they would have provided that little bit of that humanity processing, right? How healthy law processing would have been provided, right? So there are no cops yet in the police services after all. If you are going to see them, what people will first thing will get into their mind whenever they want to talk about the cops or police or jailers of United States of America. It's a uniform. Then in the hip they will have a belt with a rifle, or that is used in the war, right? That kind of a severity, highest level of nuclear weapons in their hip. And they also get to do whatever abuse of power process they can, and they get out, walk away free. Same as a doctor can kill a patient and walk away free, or pharmaceuticals like Monsanto can create a birth defect for the fellow mankind and walk away free. These cops can also go walk away free. And because of this injustice enforced, the judges gets paid a lot of money for that. Who is providing a puppeteer show there behind the scenes for all this scandal? It is Pope Francis, the Satan, and the Roman province Jesuits organization, hell organization, satanic organizations, headquartered in each of the regions, province, the Roman province area in the United States of America. That means all states got destroyed already, forever. And cunning way, they made it sure that they will not get into any of the, justice. Because they made it sure, they made it that way. And this foolish United States of America thinks, oh, Pope Francis is so holy, Queen Elizabeth II is very, very holy, like that. But they never do not have any clue that the hell, everything, it's all created by them. Right? So US is one lawless nation, my fellow mankind. That is the truth. Please digest the truth. So at least what should Pope Francis should have told? I already educated this already. As a Pope Francis, he should have stood up and told only the truth that, hey, fellow mankind, 300 million population of USA, you know what? I am a Roman king, hero, and I am born to destroy true Christianity. You live with it or die with it. And yes, this USA is a Roman nation, and it is a lawless nation, and it is the purest form of sexual immorality mandate nation. And yes, Statue of Liberty is the proof, life proof for that. And yes, France is one of the deadliest communism nation. You live with it or die with it. And yes, you can live as whatever way you like, and there will not be any law. And I will not even waste $1 or a penny or a dime in providing budget or allocations for any of the justice services, because the entire nation is broken. It's a lawless nation. Why on the earth I would even spend budget allocation for justice, for them to provide injustice and torture human resources like that, and delayed justice and throw innocent people on the jail facilities like that? Why would I even have to waste my labor? This is how Pope Francis should have educated. But he never did that. What did he do? Oh, Hail Mary, right? They will sing that song, the Roman Catholic fathers, when they are providing that communion service, and right? And I don't know, whatever, the rosary, right? Like that. So, he provided an illusion. He fooled everybody. Now, how many people are there? If he destroyed one civilian's life, that itself is deadliest crime. And that needs to be addressed, and civil justice must be served. But then there are 7.9 plus billions of precious God-given humans' life he destroyed. And I'm talking about the living, existing population among the 7.9 plus billions of humans. Means, imagine for the past 500 years, for past 1,000 years, the people who died at the war front or died out of cancer. Oh yeah, I'm going to get civil justice for them as well. Right? So either Pope Francis should say, being a god of USA, he can go bring all the people who died on the British African slave ships when they were going on the trade between Britain to USA from Africa, that mode. Or Pope Francis should say he has never heard of what is Britain, don't know who's Queen Elizabeth, and should say never heard of Africa, right? And that will be super fun, right? Either he has to say he knows what is slavery, or he has to say he don't know slavery. Either he has to say he knows where is South America, right? You know, there are what, 9 states there approximately, and then there are nearby islands, that Cuba, whatever, right? So that will be super fun as well. Why? Because that is his hometown. So, yes, he sure will be thrown in the volcano in Hawaii, right? Because nobody has what, nobody have any birthright to hurt fellow mankind. And he not only hurted fellow mankind, he enforced poverty. And enforced poverty in different ways, and he also introduced one program called robocalling poverty mandate program, and he provided the prerequisites on what the Republican government and Democrat government have to do. They have to go and exploit the poverty people who have no clue when they're getting into this robocalling poverty service providers process model in the life cycle. They get paid for that, and they never know what exactly the other people who lose the money, hard-earned money, they will undergo through. And it is $1 billion and $1 trillion tax revenue every year. And that is why they never bothered to fix it. But then they were thinking, oh, US is becoming so rich just because of that alone. But then see, they are having $22 trillion deficit. And what I am asking for medical finance compensation, $50,000 trillion only for this process salary never provided. That is one crime. And this we are working on this crime as what? The robocall poverty mandate. And you all saw the previous crimes. I asked for $500,000 trillion, right? So that will be super fun, isn't it? For the medical victims of abuse, patients, medical finance aid claims, billing means USA government will go crazy. Let them go crazy, let them go mad. I want these dollars amount to be written dollar by dollar, cents by cents on the civil justice book. If they're going to pay it or pay not, it should be on the civil justice book, period. Right? So let Pope Francis stand upside down and pay all the penalty. Who gave authority? I never asked for Pope crap. I never asked for Queen of Elizabeth II crap. I never asked for Islam leaders, the United Arabs leaders crap. Who gave authority for USA to allow those Satans to live free? Who gave authority? Right? And I, the one, the true owner of all the nations. I own United Arab Emirates land, must means I own Dubai. I own Saudi Arabia. I own Jordan. I own Morocco, the North African nations. I own Turkey, Istanbul. What are they? I own Iran. I own Iraq. I own Pakistan. I own Bangladesh. I own everything. I own Nepal. I own Malaysia. I own Singapore. I own Sri Lanka. Every single nation you name it, I own it. I own Australia. I own New Zealand. I own South Africa. I own South America. I own each and every single Europe nations, be it Finland, Denmark, Dutch, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Finland, Greenland, Iceland, right? Poland, Slovakia, Slovenia, Romania, Bulgaria, Portuguese, Spain, France, Germany, everything. London, Ireland, Scotland. What are they going to do about that? Can you all see why that nobody were able to stand up front and slap on the USA government versus I alone out of entire human kingdom able to stand? That's the reason behind it. And that is a part of the task I already provided to you all, right? Are we on the same page on that? Keep working on who am I? Okay, and I will reveal that. And yes, all these Satans, they destroyed the national operations, they sure will get out of the earth immediately. Right? So tell me what these House of Representatives have been doing for all along in their entire lawmaking process. Nothing. They have to do sweet talk, that is all. They have to delay the programs for the welfare programs or the policy billing sign off for the lawmaking process. That's all they have to do. They have to go in an 8 hours job. They'll not even work 8 hours, okay, like other people. They are having the coolest job in the earth. So they have to talk sweet talk, they have to delay all the welfare programs, and they have to provide only injustice, and they have to punish only the innocent always, right? For that they're getting paid. They have to make as many poverty mandate process models programs to the population and inject toxins. The more toxins they inject to the population, they get salaried accordingly increased. Pope Francis, they are the Babylonian government. How it works is, the more toxins injected to the population, the more salary will be paid. This is the patterns of entire Babylonian Empire process model. And this was a pattern for track record. It's known worldwide. It was since when the Babylonian period was there, empire was ruling. Persian Empire, today it's called Iran and Afghanistan, they were ruling. And they collapsed, and that became the Greece Empire, right? The Mediterranean, Mesopotamia, that area, the great Alexander the Great, you all might have aware of it, and that collapsed, and that became the Egypt Empire. Right now the United Arab Emirates, like that, and they got collapsed and they become the Roman Empire. But then they did not want to keep that name, Roman Empire. That is the illusion part. Why? When it is called as a Roman Empire explicitly or directly, then population will have the question, oh no, we never wanted the Roman Empire. Why on the earth there is a Roman Empire? Means then they will be in the uncomfortable position to answer, right? So what is the healthiest way they can do? They can use the Christian name, right, and Christian processing, and all the Christian words that true Christianity use, and in the name of God, in the name of blah 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 blah, like that they created. And for that only they created a name. They came up with a name called Pope, P-O-P-E. If you see, it rhymes like hope, right, H-O-P-E, but that's how they provide that illusion. And to the extent, all the Roman Catholic Christian population, they only address Pope as a Pope God. So they even address him only as Dad. But then, without knowing that he is the hell creator who backstabbed all the Roman Catholic Christian population, and any denomination in the Christianity, they all got slaughtered already. They all been worshipping Satan as a god and cursing the true God of Christianity as a god. And that exactly is the Antichristism process model after all. They become above God. Okay, now here I want to include one more testimony. God's favorite angel was Lucifer, after all. Do you all aware of it? And he was given all authority to rule the nations and to do anything, meaning they never even have to ask God. So, are you all with me thus far? Because it is an important puzzle mode I'm talking about. Okay? So, these forefathers, when they were writing the Lucifer, means people will be thinking, oh, is that a Satan after all, right? But then they wanted to provide that as a military defense code of Morse code mode. Okay, why? Means there is a real definition behind it. God created humans in what form? God's image form. So that means all humans are holy. Right, so they are the representatives of God after all, right? So that's the meaning. So then they had to write it that way. God's favorite angel was Lucifer, like that means they want to provide that as a only government military operation in Morse code form. Because everybody, whoever sat and wrote the Holy Bible, they were writing only when they were prosecuted by this evil people. It's been there forever. The Christians have been persecuted forever, and it's still happening. Even now it's happening. Okay, and it will be fixed. I am there, So then what happened was, in that Morse coding process of they are telling the forefathers in the Holy Book, it tells that Once when he is given, the Lucifer, the angel, the lovable angel of God, was given all the authority, right? You name it. So he became that, what to say, there's a disability, right? Self pride, like that. Oh, is that so? Then he became jealous, right? So, okay, God only gave me all the power. Why can't I become above God? And I will make God look low. And I will make population to curse God and worship me. Means that is the process model they started to use it. And this is, they never literally said, if you go into the Holy Bible, they never literally say, oh, Pope Francis only is the Antichrist, Pope Francis only is the Lucifer, like that, or Queen Elizabeth. But then they had to use some kind of a word or terminology to provide us a military defense Morse code, right? Like a Mayday, Mayday, like that, right? So this is what it's all about. But then there is more beyond it. So you all got to understand what is a Lucifer concept, the concept of Lucifer after all, right? So it is Antichrist, means anti-love, okay, or sin. Or sin is what? Another word for sin is only crime. So another word for sin or crime is what? Antichrist. Another word for Antichrist was anti-love. So anything that is other than the true love is Antichrist. And this Lucifer wanted only the Antichrist mode. Why? When population are living in a cleanness love, what will happen for the nation? The nation will be wisest. Population will be living in heaven. They will marry into love. They will have children, family. They'll build their community, neighbors, build nations in clean love. So everybody will be in the heaven. And there will never be any need for tax. This is one way. But how on the earth they have to pay tax? How on the earth the Lucifer can make them to pay tax? Inject all the toxins. He did that already. That's why he slaughtered everybody. So who is that Lucifer and Antichrist, the Satan, the venom Satan, the Holy Bible refers to? It is none other than the absolute monarchs. Because nobody, if you're going to ask any civilian, they will say they never asked for absolute monarch Satans after all. It is they themselves created, and they themselves created their own law. And even criminal law was also created for them to escape the injustice. And that is why Queen Elizabeth is living free in Buckingham Palace. Why nobody knows that African Britain slave ships trade provided to the African Americans is a leprosy disease of Queen Elizabeth II, and just threw her in a volcano? Why nobody did that? Why? How many USA military navy have the slave ships as of today, as of now, in the name of Victoria, in the name of Elizabeth, like that? If I'm going to say just thrash it or throw it in the mouth of Queen Elizabeth II, what is USA government will do? They will obey me only. They will just throw all the slave ships in the United States of America military navy on the mouth of the Queen Elizabeth II and ask her to chew the slave ships and digest and just throw her in the volcano. That is what USA will do. And I will read these death penalties according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Nobody will ask me any questions. Right? How many years she lived free for that deadliest crime? Imagine how many African Americans, be it men or women, they would have shouted for help when they were taken as a slave, enchained, right? Chained with the legs and the hands and the neck, and thrown in the ship and thrown in the seas to be dead just like that. They would have shouted, God, please God, help somebody to free us, right? That many years took. Even Sudan is a slave, Queen Elizabeth is still ruling that. All the African nations, they got freed in the name of freedom, right? I would say in the name of freedom. Even India never got independence from Britain. USA never got independence from the Britain. They're all living only in the illusion. All the fireworks, all the blah, 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 patriotic talks, everything wrong, everything in vain. Nobody knows. I already said that when Abraham Lincoln was providing the Gettysburg speech, at least he was human at that point, right? But without there's an absolute innocence because he never knew that he himself is a slave for Queen Elizabeth too. That is why she only killed Abraham Lincoln after all. And I am the one going to provide the civil justice for that also. Right? So imagine for all the deadliest crimes, who is the wild endangered species after all? It is Queen Elizabeth too. But she is allowed to live free. Oh, there is no other crime, my dear fellow mankind, for whatever USA did. I can bail out the USA. Right? So can you all see how everything is a chain reaction? Layer after layer after layer. And we are all getting all the answers in the rightful way. Puzzles are solved. Right? What is Pope Francis going to say about 700 years of Roman Empire war with Iran and Afghanistan? Is Pope Francis going to say, does he know Rome when he is in the Rome? Or Pope Francis is going to say, never heard about Rome because he is jumped from heaven, very holy, very perfect Republica, white skin, holy like that. So never had time to know what is the word of Rome like that. Can you all see how he got he cannot escape, Pope Francis cannot escape the death penalty to be thrown in the volcano in Hawaii? How many people in that Roman war alone would have shed blood and died, should have begged for help? Oh no, do not kill me. I want to live. And he killed all the younger generation of each household that time. Be it Normandy war, be it D-Day war, right? The Saving the Private Line movie is based out of those war crimes only. And civil wars. Within the state itself, the wars were provided. And how many native Indian tribes were slaughtered just like that in front of the Europeans only. I'm talking about the European Americans only, who are proudly telling they are citizens. They are not citizens. President Joe Biden is never a citizen. No. He should know that he is a citizen only because of the death of each and every single bloodshed provided by the native Indian tribes of India, in USA. And all that means USA is what? Tamil Nadu. That means lot of Tamilians also would have been slaughtered here. Long time. I'm talking about when the USA was in the new phase mode. Right? When people were all taken as slaves from different nations and was thrown inside the USA landmass mode. That mode I'm talking about. Be it Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, they all know the truth. They hide the truth. What is President Joe Biden going to say? He is never a citizen. And whoever addressing themselves as a citizen are never citizens, but they got all the free benefits, free lands. All they have to do is what? Just like that run from Europe, be it Ireland, be it London, be it Germany, be it France, be it Slovenia, be it Cuba, wherever they have to run for their life and just touch the land, Ellis Island. That's all they have to do. Boom. And with whatever belonging they have, whether they lost their family members, whether they lost their children, whether they lost everything, all they have to run for life and touch that landmass in Ellis Island, which is, that's where the Statue of Liberty is there. And that too only in the 18th century only, they provided a statue. Before that, there was no statue. And that statue was also created for a scam process, corruption, bribery. France wanted their population to only get the free citizenship in USA. Germany wanted their population only to get free citizenship for USA. Islam nations, Dubai, Arab nations, they wanted their population only get the free citizenship in USA. It is a scam. As long as people are living in a filthy lifestyle, they get all the luxury. And that's how it was created after all. What is USA government going to say about it when they were thinking, oh, they are having excellent state amendments, right? And the declaration of it, everything is a crap. I own this nation, right? I will just throw all Pledge of Allegiance, everything. What the Pledge of Allegiance says, in the name of Republica. What is the meaning of Republica? Prostitution. In the name of prostitution. Then how they provided the illusion? Under one God. We trust in one God. And who are they been worshipping in the name of God? All the USA, all the European nations, they worship only Queen Elizabeth as God. She mandates that. And that is a very telltale sign of a Babylonian empire. Why? Babylonian Empire, they make sure they mandate a law that population must worship only that Babylon Empire kings and queens alone as God. If they are going to worship the true God of Christianity as a true God, immediately that very moment will be thrown in the gas chamber and burnt in ashes. That much how the national punishment for was provided. And even in the 18th century in the United States of America, population were not allowed to read Holy Bible. Pope Francis used to tear the Holy Bible, throw all the people, lynching, flogging, killing, murdering, slavery, everything single of crap was provided by Pope Francis, and people have to deal with it, chew with it, digest with injustice forever. Nobody knew it is them who are creating it, and nobody were able to stand in front of them and ask questions, because whoever asks questions, they'll be killed on the spot. Not anymore, my fellow mankind. I am here, and I sure will get a civil justice, right? Because that is how people will know why God is God. That is how people will know why civil justice only is the excellent justice process after all, right? So you all got it, why even House of Representatives are even evil. So that means 95% of the women, or 99% or 100% of the women in the USA government are the highest level of evil. When I'm putting the government, USA government men population one side on the justice weighing scale and women on the justice weighing scale, who becomes more evil? Women. Because what is a reality? Women are personification of double innocence. So that means they were the absolute wisest people. So that means must have provided excellent law, flawless law. But no, they broke the law. They are the ones who destroyed the USA corporations. And these men are always foolish, right? The foolish people always get away with the illusion, temptations like that. And that is how they created their own set of laws. And it's because men club, and men are only God, like that kind of an illusion is injected worldwide. Everything is going to change with my governance, right? So, yes, I will continue with the civil justice sign off, and this session went long. It's almost 1 hour close to. But, when we are addressing an important complex defects and the errors, it is helpful when we are addressing all related sources, root causes that created this here. So now House of Representatives must have got the clear education why they are so evil after all. Right? I will fire all of them. I'll ask, just go and stay in please, for heaven's sake, stay in the jail for a while. Let me step in, and then I will bail out like that. Right? I'm going to bail out all these people, because there is the innocence is identified. For me, in order for me to sign off civil justice, only innocence should be identified. If there is no innocence identified, then I will say, just get out of the earth. I will not even bother to say, okay, please take shelter in jail and let's work it out and blah, 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 like that. No, I will not even waste that labor cost. And that labor cost, I will use it for some other healthy processor. Right? So I already said all the federal prison, all the state prisons, all will be shut down, sealed and shut down. And Pope Francis is Satan, everything is invalid, disqualified. Everything, you name it. So year 2021, USA nation is handcuffed and is at fault, found guilty for creating robocall poverty mandate and enforce poverty for mankind is the deadliest crime. Who is USA to enforce poverty for me? Who gave the authority to sign off that robocall poverty service providing programs is healthiest? Oh, whoever signed that, they cannot escape the wrath of God, right? So, all USA 50 states, Republic 117th House of Representatives at fault and found guilty, and they are all classified as a leprosy patients, domestic violence category, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation of injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and trespass to chattels. It is only for Republic House of Representatives of the 117th Congress. So then the same thing goes for all USA states. Democrat 117th House of Representatives at fault and found guilty. Breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, then assault and types, false imprisonment, trespass to land and trespass to chattels. Then USA government 117th Congress year 2021, it is a Republican government population of USA and Democrat population of USA as in House of Representatives. The lawmakers, regardless of Democrats or Republicans, health creators, never fix the robocall poverty mandate. Holocaust Nazism is a live proof why Republican government of USA and Democrat government of USA created robocall poverty mandate, finance debt mandate, Holocaust Nazism, and proved why Democrat government is hell creators same as Republican government, however in different avatars, as in the name of democracy. Creating hell is another deadliest crime as of today. Then, Republican government and Democrat government, House of Representatives or Holocaust Nazism organization, hell creators, poverty creators proved because Democrat government in the name of democracy only creating robocall poverty mandate on their side. And then versus the Republican government, they were creating robocall poverty mandate in the name of Republica. That's a live proof. You all know the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell and the Supreme Judge got elected in the year of October 2018, Brett Kavanaugh and President Trump. Right? They only provided this robocall poverty mandate for me in order for me not to get that job that rightfully belongs to me. I should be the Supreme Judge of USA on October 2018, but they just provided the scandal and they have to pay the price, right? So, the Democrat government and Republican government House of Representatives of USA is a Holocaust Nazism organization, hell creators, poverty creators, is proved by I am Vedapriya. Pro se proved Republic government and Democrat government is classified as wild endangered species, Roman province, Jesuit state organization versions, and classified as law endangered species. Why would nation even bother to hire the law endangered species to be the lawmakers at the first place? Because they are going to provide hell injustice only. When civil justice always says never punish innocent, these law endangered species are going to make a law to punish only innocent. So that itself is wrong. That the USA hired wrongful people for the hell creation process, that itself is a crime. They do not have any birthright to do that. And they did only that crime, being proudest. And they are going to pay the price. $500,000 trillion, $50,000 trillion. Oh, it will be super fun to see all the long list of medical finance aid compensation. So, I Vedapriya Pro se proved Republican government and Democrat governments classified as wild endangered species, Roman province Jesuit state and organization versions, and classified as law endangered species and disqualified to be government of USA, being lawmakers, government of USA with fatal negligence never fixed, robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime and USA nation, Democrat government, Republican government is at fault, found guilty in all counts of crime of Pope Francis, right? So, as of today, each Republic House of Representatives, and yes, because of all this crime provided, only the robocall poverty mandate was provided to me, right? So, I want the Citibank CEO of USA must pay my debt in full, that is $10,000, $210.38, and also must direct deposit tax-free $4,500 direct deposit in my bank account, right? So his all the banking software lines are broken in pieces. So he has no other go. He has to pay me the finance aid. So USA Republic government as of today, as in each USA Republic House of Representatives and each Democrat House of Representatives of 117th Congress of USA must should sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account in next months again. And Pope Francis must sign off tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And I, Vedapriya Prose, true lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, should be interim leader of USA effective now. And I, Vedapriya, should be supreme chief judge and supreme chief family law judge for all nations now. And United States of America should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever, for it is United States of America only created deadliest robocall, poverty mandate, hell mandate, Holocaust, Nazism crime. Okay, so they do not have any birthrights to do that. So the USA will pay the price. And thank you all for your time. Bye for now, and I'll keep providing more civil justice sign off, because this robocall poverty mandate alone is a $1 trillion scandal. We already so you all are aware why I am the richest woman in the earth, right? As of now, yes, USA owes me a lot of salary. I should get Prose salary that is pending. I should get salary for the work I provided in Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, and I should get the salary for the patented design cost, right? And they should provide me salary for I provided the root cause for the robocalling, right? And there is more. For that, they have to pay the price, right? And I do not like foolishness, and I do not like fools. I will just slap on the face of fools. As a true friend, I can provide extra mile help, extra tolerance, and guide the foolish people to walk in the wisdom ways. That is the best, least minimum help I can do. I just do not like fools. That is me. It's okay if people are going to hate me or mock me, right? It's okay, and I'm not ashamed to say that. No, I just do not like fools people, because the vices knows how torture it is to be with the fools, because it is hell after all, right? So that is why the vices will always back off from the fools. To the extent sometimes they will keep educating, they'll be guiding, but then once when there is enough more, everybody is a civilian, right? They'll have their only tolerance level to some extent, and threshold level to some extent, and they will just move. They will, for healthy wellness human standards, they will back off. Okay, and that is why foolish disease, it's a leprosy disease. Can be cured and healed only by God. See, I can only provide the basic guidelines and directions. Hey, that is foolish ways, don't go that side. Walk in wisdom ways, you'll be thanking me forever, like that. That's all I can do. I cannot even go back and check on each and every single civilian whether they are walking in the wisdom ways or they are choosing the foolish ways. No choice is wrong or correct. It is according to their individual choice they are choosing, because it is their life. Nobody has a birthright to define how the civilians has to live. I already said that. Whether the civilians have to going to live only by eating fruits or only by eating vegetables, it's their lookout, right? But provide healthy environment, provide a safe, secured, happy environment. People have to be laughing every day. People have to be dancing in love every day. That is how a nation should be, saying proudest. You know what? Our nation is so wise. Our people always be happy only. Our government will be normal functioning the way it should be. Population will do their work. Government will do their work. Leaders will do their work. Oh, it's so perfect heaven here. This is how the nation should say to the worldwide. But the reality is it's not. Their population have been fooled into thinking that population have to be enforced with injustice. People should be punished for being innocent like that. That is wrong. So at least good news is that all the root cause for all hell has been identified. It traced to only one spot, one location, St. Peter's Basilica. Rome, Italy, Vatican. And it will be super fun when I'm going to reveal more crime of Pope Francis. Right? Wait, watch and see. I already said what? He himself will run from the Italy Vatican, jump in the volcano in Hawaii, before, and saying, "Oh nations, it's okay. I will get fried in ashes in volcano rather than be living and paying the penalty." That's what he will say. And he'll jump and he'll be gone. So celebrate Merry Christmas every single day. Okay. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.